Welcome to Brickfield Pond in Rhyl. That looks a nice area. Another place I've passed many times and wanted to walk around, but never done it. Very popular with fishermen here. Nature Reserve. Lovely, isn't it? Even got fishing spots there. As I say, passed it many times but never walked it. Only a very short walk, but nice all the same. You wouldn't think you were in Rhyl, put it that way. It's a big fish. Cracking view of the lake. Look at that. The wildlife here, unbelievable. This particular walk has ease of access for disabled people. It's all marked out on the board when you start, where you can go and where you can't go. And it's very good. Cracking place. Right, on with the walk. And this water is quite clean actually. Not sure if it's picking up on camera, but you can see the bottom. This is a view from the other side of the lake. It's said that the largest heron in this country is on this lake. And there it is. That's the end of my walk around Brickfield Pond here in Rhyl, North Wales. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.